Welcome back. Shack Owners Welfare Society has once again showed their displeasure with granting of shacks in the state. They have now made fresh demands for 55 more shacks in North Goa, as many of their members are yet to receive the licenses. Here is a report.
Members want this 55 shacks in Kalangut to Mandre stretch in North Goa. Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes has also shown his support to the demands of shack owners. Shack owners on Monday did try to meet Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to convey their demands, but as Kamath was not available, they decided to meet Chief Secretary JP Singh to discuss their demands. President of Goa Shack Owners Welfare Society Cruz Cardoso said that they will also discuss with Tourism Minister Mickey Pacheco for receiving additional shacks.
All Goa Shack Owners demand करून की आमकां एडिशनल शेकां जाय म्हणून जेन्ना आमचो गव्हर्नमेंट आमकां सांगता एडिशनल शेकां जाता म्हणून जाल्यार आमकां मेळपाकूच जाय एडिशनल शेकां सो आमी टुरिजम मिनिस्टर हे पसून रावतले की आमचो मुखावेलो स्टेप घेवपाक जेन्ना आमी टुरिजम मिनिस्टर पोतून मेवतले आनी सांगतले आमकां एडिशनल शेक दी म्हणून आमकां प्रॉमिस केला दिता म्हणून टुरिजम.
Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes blamed bureaucracy for delaying licenses to these 55 shacks. He also blamed NGOs for creating hurdle to shack business.
So, म्हाका दिसता की आमची ब्युरोक्रेसी पळय आहा ती एंटी गोवन आहा. आमकां सांगला चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणटा आपणाक प्रॉब्लेम ना, आमचो टुरिजम मिनिस्टर म्हणटा आपणाक प्रॉब्लेम ना, आमकां जाय दिवपाक. पूण ब्युरोक्रेसी आहा पळय कितें ना कितें आडकोळी हाडटा आनी अशें करून सगळें पाड घालता गोंयचें. सेम टुरिस्ट टॅक्सिंगूय तशेंच केलां आमचें आतां शेकांकूय तेंच केलां. हांगा कितें जाता सगळे आमचे लोकांचे पोट आहा हे सगळे भायले सगळे एनजीओज येयले आनी कोण येयले आनी सगळे आमचे गोंय कशें चलोवपाचें आमकां शिकयता एनजीओज. आयज आमची कांदोली बोट शिरकोलेली 8 वर्सां कोण एकलो एनजीओ तोंड उगडिना. आमची कोण शेक घालता तेन्ना टुरिजमाक इफेक्ट जाता, इकॉलॉजीक इफेक्ट जाता म्हणून सांगता.
With less than a month remaining for Christmas and New Year celebration, shack owners want these additional shacks with immediate effect as it is their source of livelihood. Our reporter from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Lead role actor of Savaria.com, Aniket Vishwas Rao, has asked the Konkani writers to produce and direct more films in Konkani. Here is a special interview with him.
Savaria.com जैसे किसी अच्छे सब्जेक्ट का ऑफ़र मुझे मिला तो मैं ज़रूर काम करना चाहूँगा. काम करने की इच्छा तो बहुत है कोंकणी में. कोंकणी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट लैंग्वेज. तो और कोंकणी में ऐसे कई और सब्जेक्ट्स ट्राई आउट होने चाहिए और निर्देशक और आगे आने चाहिए, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स आगे आने चाहिए.
He further shared his experiences with us.
अभी 8 साल हो गए मुझे एक्टिंग में. कॉलेज के ज़माने से प्रोफेशनली काम करना शुरू कर दिया था मैंने. टेलीविज़न करता था, कई सारे एड्स भी किए हैं. मराठी में प्ले किया है नकळते सारे घडले और यह भी मेरी तीसरी मराठी फिल्म है.
Our reporter from Panji, Sneha Deshprabhu.
The compulsion by government to hold Gram Sabha on Sunday has taken a new turn at Chikali Panchayat. The Sarpanch of Chikali himself is confused about the matter.
I am totally blank to understand what is there, whether ODP will be accepted or regional plan. Either way, I feel that ODP should have been reflected, but since regional plan was planned first before this ODP was finalized, it is big question mark. Now ODP is already finalized and is on the verge of finalization or notification. I cannot say anything because it is left up to the Chief Minister, who is also the head of the Town and Country Planning Board.
Sarpanch also requested that those villagers who have no voting power should move out of the Gram Sabha. A committee in this regard has been appointed by the Sarpanch to come to a decision on regional plan and outline development project. Our reporter at Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.